This is a low-access electric minibus designed for wheelchair users in point-to-point transportation. It equips with two ramps in both sides such that two wheelchairs can drive simultaneously from the pedestrian pavement onto the midsection of this minibus. The floor of this midsection can travel vertically to align with the high floor that sits in the rear section. Now, let's take a closer look to the design. The air suspension facilitates the minibus to be raised for road travel or lowered for ramp deployment. The minibus consists of three main sections, including the cab, the mid and rear section. Right behind the cab is the mid section where the ramp is deployed. The secondary battery bank also sits underneath the moving floor in this section. If we can take away the side panel, you can see these four hydraulic cylinders which can raise and lower the midsection floor to align either with high floor in the rear section or the ramp at a lower level. As safety precaution, the barrier that sits in between the two sections will be raised when the midsection is lowered. Foldable seats are installed in between the two hydraulic cylinders for accompany persons. The rear section is a high floor above all wheel arches such that it can offer a large flat spaces for wheelchairs. Underneath this high floor is the main battery bank which supply electricity to the motors that drive the rear wheels. Attached to this section is a widened tail lift that can convey at most 3 wheelchairs. Once the mid-section floor align with the rear section, the two floors can function as one single floor which allows wheelchairs to move freely between these two sections. As a result, wheelchairs in the midsection has also access to the tail lift in case ramp cannot be used. Now, let's see how is the operation of this electric low-access minibus. For simplicity, powered wheelchairs are used in this demonstration. When the ramp is lowered, pairs of powered wheelchairs can easily drive onto the midsection of the minibus. The midsection floor will then be raised to align with the rear section such that wheelchairs can drive into this section. The emptied midsection can then be made available to the next for wheelchairs. As you can see, the loading process can be pretty efficient. However, there may exist some situations that restrict the side ramp deployment. In such case, the loading can be supplemented by using the widened tail lift. Although the tail lift operation cannot be as efficient as the side ramp, this widened tail lift, which can convey at most 3 wheelchairs simultaneously, can still be more efficient than the existing single-person wheelchair lift. During the operation of this tail lift, the side ramps can still be operated individually whenever situation permits in order to speed up the loading process. I hope you would enjoy this presentation. Thank you very much for your time and have a nice day. Bye now.